Hey guys, what is up? In this video, we are talking about Capri Holdings Stock. This company is in the apparel manufacturing industry, so if you're into fashion, stick around. If not, still stick around because this company has massive upside potential to come. And it is also trading for under $40 a share during the time of this video, so don't miss this. Real quick, if you can give this video an early thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, and turn on those post notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. I would very much appreciate the support so much. And remember, I am not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you how or where to invest your money. I am only here to post my own thoughts and opinions with any stocks I may do a coverage of. Now let's jump right into the video. So as you already know, the stock we are talking about is Capri Holdings, ticker symbol CPRI. Capri Holdings Limited is a global fashion luxury group consisting of iconic brands that are industry leaders in design, style, and craftsmanship. Our brands cover the full spectrum of fashion luxury categories, including women's and men's accessories, footwear and apparel, as well as wearable technology, watches, jewelry, eyewear, and a full line of fragrance products. The goal of our company is to continue to extend the global reach of our brands while ensuring that they maintain their independence and exclusive DNA. And Capri Holdings does own the brands Versace, Jimmy Choo, and Michael Kors, which are popular worldwide known fashion luxury brands. And the company was formerly known as Michael Kors Holdings Limited, but changed its name to Capri Holdings in December 2018. They were founded in 1981 and are based in London, United Kingdom. Now we're here checking out how much Capri Holdings is trading for during the time of this video. They are trading for $36.74 a share, up 3.35%. And taking a look at the 1 month chart, we can see that they are up 66%. Which is absolutely insane, and they are performing very well. And as for the 6 months, they are up 110%. And Capri Holdings does have a market cap of $5.53 billion. Now we're here taking a look at Capri Holdings financials. They are okay for the most part. They're not too bad, but not too good either. We can see that their total revenue has been steady over the past few years. Their gross profit has been pretty good for the most part. Their operating income has gotten worse, and this is due to the fact of COVID and all these shutdowns of these malls, retail stores. Nobody was shopping, and this was preventing them to make money. So I'm hoping to see some recovery with their operating income, which in my opinion will rebound due to the fact of this COVID-19 vaccine news. And their net income did get worse as well because of COVID, but again, we are hoping to see recovery very soon. Now we're here checking out their balance sheet. It isn't too good, but it isn't too bad either, but there is one scary part. So first, we can see that their current assets are at $1.6 billion, cash on hand is at $238 million, and current liabilities are at $1.5 billion, which gives them a current ratio of 1.0, which is overall pretty good. So the thing that scares me here is their cash on hand is at $238 million, but their total debt is at $3.9 billion. Scary, right? But definitely something you're going to want to watch out for if you are interested in investing in this company. Now, Capri did have their Q2 2021 earnings report at the beginning of November, which I want to go over with you. Total revenue of $1.1 billion decreased 23% compared to last year on a constant currency basis. Total revenue decreased 24.6%. Gross profit was $710 million and gross margin was 64% compared to $874 million and 60.6% in the prior year. Adjusted gross profit was $701 million and adjusted gross margin was 63.2% compared to $879 million and 61% in the prior year. Income from operations was $153 million and operating margin was 13.8% compared to $75 million and 5.2% in the prior year. Adjusted income from operations was $182 million and operating margin was 16.4% compared to $202 million and 14% in the prior year. Now for the net income, it was at $122 million or 81 cents per diluted share compared to $73 million or 47 cents per diluted share in the prior year. Adjusted net income was $137 million or 0.90 cents per diluted share compared to $177 million or $1.16 per diluted share in the prior year. And their net inventory did decrease to $930 million, which is a 13% decrease. Now for their three brands Q2 financial results, Versace's revenue of $195 million increased 14.5% compared to the prior year, and total revenue decreased 18.9%. Versace operating income was $20 million and operating margin was 10.3% compared to $9 million and 3.9% in the prior year. Last year, adjusted operating income was $14 million and adjusted operating margin was 6.1%. For Jimmy Choo, their revenue was $122 million, which is a decrease of 2.4% compared to the prior year, and their total revenue did decrease 6.4%. Their operating income was break-even compared to an operating loss of $10 million and operating margin of 8.0% in the prior year. For Michael Kors, their revenue was $793 million, which decreased 27.2% compared to the prior year, and their total revenue decreased to 27.9%. While their operating income was $190 million and operating margin was at 24% compared to $222 million and 20.4% in the prior year. So right off the bat, we can see that there has been some decreases and declines, but this is all from COVID, and I see them rebounding from this by far, in my opinion. And there was some positive results as their e-commerce sales improved sequentially, increasing approximately 60%, and positive sales in mainland China across all luxury houses, and positive global retail sales at Versace for the 3 months ended September. Speaking of the upside and why Capri can recover greatly from this pandemic is because of the vaccine, like I mentioned. This gives people hope that they will be able to shop normally once again at malls, retail stores, and much more. I mean, yes, there are people still shopping, but there are others that are still scared to go out, and this vaccine will give them some confidence, which will eventually boost sales and more foot traffic into Versace, Michael Kors, and Jimmy Choo. And if we take a look at this article, one analyst named Ike Borichow thinks a vaccine will prompt investors to move away from pandemic winners while shifting their focus to names that fit a 2021 recovery thesis. While the coming winter is likely to be difficult as coronavirus cases spike in the US and other regions of the world, Borichow is less focused on potentially choppy near-term results, instead looking for opportunities to invest in a post-vaccine world. And for Capri, he likes that the Michael Kors brand is showing signs of stabilization and its luxury assets should accelerate in 2021 and beyond. He writes that luxury trends have inflected globally while Jimmy Choo and Versace are set to enter offensive mode following years of reinvestment. That should drive earnings growth and multiple expansion for the stock. And this analyst did rate Capri Holdings overweight with a price target of $45 up from $25 a share. And it is expected that there will be a significant amount of spending during this year's retail holiday season, which will shift away from holiday travel costs and move towards consumer goods. And all this spending this year will be because of the expectation that a vaccine will be approved in the next few months. With a pathway on the horizon towards economic normalization in 2021, stock markets have reached new all-time highs. And if we take a look at this paragraph, it says, historically, strong equity markets have correlated with increased spending on high-end goods and luxury brands, which is Capri Holdings, as wealthy investors are more willing to splurge on big-ticket items. Preston Caldwell, head of U.S. economics at Morningstar Research Services, expects that overall retail sales will increase between 6% and 8% in the fourth quarter this year as compared with last. And it says here, the shift in spending habits away from travel combined with a desire to reward oneself after living through such a chaotic year should benefit affordable luxury items and high-end accessories. Increased consumer spending can be found in categories like handbags and shoes. Two such beneficiaries may include Capri Holdings, owner of brands such as Michael Kors, Versace, and Jimmy Choo. Now we're here looking at the stock price forecast for Capri Holdings. The 23 analysts offering 12-month price forecasts for Capri have a median target of $28 with a high estimate of $72 and a low estimate of $20. The median estimate represents a negative 23.58% decrease from the last price of $36.64 a share. Now for analyst recommendations, 17 say to hold and 9 analysts say to buy stock in Capri. Now my thoughts on this stock, I do not own any shares in Capri, however I will be putting them in my watch list because I am interested in this company and I do see massive recovery to come for 2021. Consumer spending and retail will bounce back better than ever, and Capri will see this real soon with their brands Versace, Jimmy Choo, and Michael Kors. Well, that brings us towards the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video as much as I did filming it for you all. Please let me know down in the comments what you think about Capri stock and what you're going to do with them. Your thoughts are always appreciated. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications to be notified when I drop a new video. Thank you all for the support and thank you for watching. Until next time.